Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm doing part 2 on Dell. So the first time I mentioned Dell on this channel was exactly 2 years ago. It was exactly 2 years, June 2024, and we were trading at around the 140s range, right? So back in June, we had an all-time highs on Dell about 179. There's nothing before that we had broken these all-time highs. So this was technically after the market topped on Dell. I made a video on June 2024 right here. And if we look at the previous, so if we look at Dell from before, so all this history we have been using compound interest in our favor and just going higher until we had, if we look at it on the chart, and I'm using the 1 week time frame, so the weekly time frame as I believe it's the more clear one to be looking at. We see we have this 68. So let me leave this. We have this 68 low right here, 68, 69, and after that we start to have huge green candles, right? Green candle retracement, green candle retracement, push up. This is when we make the all-time highs right here, and then after that I made the video, right? So after the video, I believe I said something about having good buys around 130-ish. I had to rewatch the video, so it said something about the 130 were good buys. But if we look here, from the video that I made in 2024 to now, this is, current times right now, right here to the right, we made one very good low right here at about 90. We retraced, made some of this moves back all the way to the 145s, 146. And then after this, we had the biggest drop, I think one of the biggest drops, which was in April last year in 2025. Now, this time in April, I believe was the best time in the last probably 10 years to be buying any stocks. And I don't remember about crypto, but I do remember very vividly about stocks. It was just the worst time to in the charts history to be looking at, because we were at a low and so much uncertainty. And after that, we just reversed into this bull run that we are now. And right here, we have not an all-time high break, but an high, right? In October 2025. So since April, this was 6 months after the low, we made new highs, and then after that we just started to trend a little bit towards the downside. Now, our good friend Trump started to announce buys on Dell in February and March of this year, right? So I put this right here as the Trump signal. All right, this is right after the Trump signal. He started to buy Dell. Now this is the same move that we've been seeing with some other stocks, and that I also made video about, right? So let's look at the break of the all-time highs to now, not only 300, not only 400, but on our way to about $500 a share, right? So this right here is $500 a share, and we're not there yet, but we're at 466. All right, so let's look at just some numbers. From the April low of about 67, you would be up right now close to 600%. From this bottom right here, from the Trump signal at about 116, you would have been up about 300%. And from the all-time highs in May 2024, you would have been up about 160%. Now, this is another level, right? Seeing a stock, I just wonder how Michael Dell is feeling right now, looking his stock, even from buying at previous all-time highs, being up about 160%, being up on the April 2025 lows about 600%, and being trading right now from even January 1st. So even from January 1st, let's just go over the open, somewhere around 129, being up about 260%, right? Just another example of, to me, the Trump signal. And I'm going to break down to you guys right now. I do not currently have almost any other stocks. I don't have anything else. And we keep going higher. So 468 right now, almost, yeah, 468. I'm only holding Bitcoin, right? But looking at this, we just see that whatever Trump, and I'll make a couple other videos about it, whatever Trump gives the signal out, this stock is outperforming everything else, right? So this is it, guys, just a small breakdown and a part 2 on Dell, right? And let's check if you had bought at around 140, let's just say 145 on the video that I made on Dell 2 years ago, you would have been up about 220% on your money, all right, in about 2 years. That is more than the 6 to 12% return on the S&P or the regular previous Trump all-time signals, right? So this is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.